Crosne, Chinese artichoke. I've got it almost 14 days fermenting here. Really excited, really tasty. If you're trying to look for my harvest video, it should be right above me right now. Click on that link to see how I harvested. It's a perennial here. I have it in a raised bed. I've had it for my 3rd year, just kind of started harvesting it. This is the 1st year I got a harvest out of it. I'm not making a sauce out of it. It's kind of pickled now, I guess. Ooh, got some cam yeast on there for sure. So it smells pretty good, but I do have some cam yeast on the top. Typically what I'm gonna do when I have that is I'm gonna wipe off the sides, have it all come with it on this paper towel here that I have. Gets a lot of it, just kind of sopping up the top. Honestly, this came down. I think I needed the brine to be a little bit more topped out. Just gonna pour all the brine out now. It smells really good. Oh, it's crunchy. Oh, wow. Wow, that is tasty. Man, they are so crunchy. My plan is I'm just gonna keep them as they are. I think they'll stay pretty crunchy, basically going through. And now I had some dried chilies, so I'll probably compost the dried chilies. And I did have some garlic in there, so I'll probably keep the garlic with them. I think fermented garlic is intense and really good. Oh, wow. Just gonna get the rest in here, so yum. I love how they kept their crunch, and hopefully they keep their color. My hope is that they keep this white color because you could see them turning after I pulled them. They're one of these plants, one of these veggies where they turn quickly. So there you go. I've got some fermented Crosne and garlic in here. Then I'm just gonna take this brine and I'm gonna put it back in the brine. Good stuff, good stuff. Close it up, get this label on there. Crosne, fermented Crosne, Chinese artichokes, 13 to 14 day salt brine ferment like you would sauerkraut. Like I do almost everything. Really tasty, keeps the crunchiness of them. So now I'll have crunchy Crosne and garlic for my salads with a nice vinaigrette. Really, really excellent, nice digestive add-on, if you will. For those of you thinking about, your digestive system as I am, I can probably put this on 10 salads as we're having them throughout the course of winter. And it's a nice little reminder of the flavor, but also I've done a really good job of, getting the lactobacillus in here and into my gut, into my belly, and I get that flavor. That's what I really love about fermentation. Like and follow on my channel because I'm gonna be talking all about indoor greenhouse, growing food in Wisconsin, pollinators, native plants to Wisconsin, and of course, harvesting and fermentation. I'm not the expert, but I love to do it and I love to learn about it and I love to learn new things. Tell me what you have ever done with Crosne. Have you ever messed with Crosne? Chinese artichoke, really, really cool plant. Kind of between a carrot and a radish, I wanna say. Happy fermenting, everybody. We're getting into winter and it's great to have the flavors all around us from our garden throughout these a little bit darker, not as sunny windows, a little colder climate.